Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are at a new location today. I'm actually fishing at my friend's fishing hole. That's my friend. This is IAAI Oklahoma City. Look at all these cars. It is bigger than Tulsa, so you get a little better selection, but it's not applicable to what we found right here. Yeah, we're gonna start with a really crappy car. Imagine that, a crappy car. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Kind of looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
In the words of Randy, those are what pay the bills. Absolutely. So what we have right here doesn't look like much, and it's probably not, but this was a cool car back in the day. I really liked it. It's a 93 Nissan 240 SX. Yes, with a little pop-up headlights. Isn't she gorgeous? She's kind of winking at us right now. It would take a lot to get this one back on the road, though. Look at this. That's kind of nice. That's just the pure plastic. That's how much is worn off. This.
Don't you have a 190 that looked like it sat underwater for like 10 years?
I do.
And you think this will take a lot to get back on the road?
Yeah.
I'll bet you put some fuel in it.
Well,
she'll run. It's
a Nissan. It's a Nissan. That old 190 has been the most popular car ever, I think, for me. We could race them. We could race. Well, we got to get mine working though. So this one has been sitting for a long, long time. Is there a sticker on the window? Oh, it's a good sign from. This hasn't been on the road since 1894.
Oh,
yeah.
That's not that
Oklahoma
long.
State Firefighters Association.
Here, you can
Look
sit
at
in
that.
You're welcome to sit in it.
Oh, someone did. Somebody sat and shat right there on the seat. This is a kid-friendly show. I can't. That's bad. I didn't know. This has been underwater. You think?
I think it's been
for a long, long time. This is like. It's not well. Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in, folks. 155,000 miles, if that even works. You're missing the radio. You do have this. Just a little super glue, and that'll work. Look at your. Wow. Why am I even in this car?
Does it have a key?
No.
Oh, dang.
There's not even a key. Well, what am I doing in this car then?
It's the next number one.
Yeah, this is it. I get a screwdriver, I could probably try to start it, but. Well, okay, do you remember these? These were so popular back in the day. My sister wanted one of these. They were fun, they were convertibles, they were reliable. This one, I think, has died many years ago. She is not even... Here, let's just... You can't... There it is. Here it is. I love how they built the seatbelt thing into the door right there.
You know what size engine these come with? I do.
It's a twin cam 16 valve, I know that.
Should be a 2.4 liter. I've had a few of these.
Yeah? What do you think about them?
They're, you know, they're something.
They are something back in the day. This is a wreck.
Coil wires missing.
Oh, she wouldn't have started it anyway.
No.
Okay. Well, oh. Some big rats have been in this one. Well, all right. We're off to a great start today, folks. Yes, this is the world's worst 240 SX. And Randy, with the hurt shoulder, is using his head to prop up the hood.
I've been learning how to get around without my arm.
There you go.
All right.
We'll move on. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's what we got right here. This car is something special. I cannot tell you how much fun this is going to be. I'm here with Randy. He's doing his thing.
You're going to buy it?
I'm going to buy this car.
Buy it.
Because it has stick-on everything. Everything is fake about this car, okay? Take a look at this. We have a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and look at these. Look at this right here. They don't do anything. Okay, they're glued on. You got a hood scoop. What Mitsubishi Eclipse has ever had a hood scoop? Okay, I don't know if this is legit or not. I don't think it will be. I think it's a stick-on. This is a stick-on. It gets better. Okay, here's the damage. Here's why it's here. It was going so fast, it just kind of imploded on that side. But look at this. Stick-on air diffusers, all of them, leading back to the biggest spoiler I've ever seen that you can adjust. Look at that. That is huge.
Is it stuck on?
And it's stuck on.
Oh my
I don't
God.
think that there's, I don't think, maybe they didn't drill through, I don't know. But this is something special. This is lovely. And they've tried to hide some of the damage with paint from another car. This is nice. Oh, and look at this. I didn't see that. Oh,
Sheet metal screws.
carbon fiber. Look. Attached with a sheet metal screw. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, let's just kind of see what the inside looks. I'm anticipating more stick-on things. Let's see what we've got. Oh, okay, we've got some silicone kind of holding the door handle with screws. Move the chair back. It's another smoker. This is a smoker's car. And we have, what is this? Silicone. This is sticky tape. They just wrapped around and around and around and around and around to build up a bezel for that. Look at that. How many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times around to get that to work.
It's probably well cared for.
I bet it is.
Yeah, well serviced.
So is anything, why are batteries, what is that?
That's a stick-on light that shows like a Mitsubishi symbol on the ground. When you open the door, it'll yeah.
Look at that. Let's zoom in. See, you've got one over there. I've got one over here too. With good batteries. Yeah. What is, oh, how funny. How
Don't forget.
funny.
Your black eyes.
Black eyes. I gotta say, I do like the smell of that. I don't know why. I don't. Oh, okay. So this goes to the radio. We got to see what's under the hood because. Okay, I think it released. I think it did. What have we got? Oh, this is. Ugh. Okay. Is the hood scoop functional?
Yeah, no.
No. Of course not.
Nope.
Okay. Ouch. That's too much to go on one terminal. Oh. You were just laughing at me. You were just laughing at me for the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not
Well,
funny, Mike.
That was, it was kind of funny. No, that wasn't funny at all. It was really funny. Look at this. This is something special too. We have screen from a screen door that is glued to prevent rocks from going into your, oh my. Okay.
Yeah.
This could be the coolest car ever. Or the biggest pit ever.
Next number 1.
Are there keys?
I didn't see.
No. Let's see. No. Oh, we got, I don't know what that is right there.
That's for bass in the trunk.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I really want a set of keys, but we don't have them. Well, doggone it. And finally, how about a 2000 and something, because there's no sticker in the window, Cadillac CTS 3.6. Not a whole bunch of damage. I love the wheels. I got to admit that. I do like the wheels. I don't like how they attach. These things seem to stick out a little bit for me, but it's cool wheels. It's a cool color. My daughter has one of these and loves it. Loves it, loves it, loves it. Let me take a little drink. Lots of tread on the tires, and it looks like they do match on this side. You get a spoiler, which is nice. And someone tried to get in and maybe steal it through here. Can you reach the handle? Yeah. Oh, you know what my daughter did one time? She had an Eclipse convertible, and she locked the key in it. And instead of being smart and going through a little window like that, she decided she would cut through the convertible top right here so she could reach in and unlock. Yeah. She also used to like to drink Patron, so maybe the two are related. I can say that because she doesn't watch my videos. Maybe I hope she doesn't watch this one either. Anyway, on the inside, this is nice. But for me, it's weird because these are pretty big cars. You just don't get a whole lot of room inside them. There's not much knee room, if you know what I'm saying. They're big on the outside, but they're just not very big on the inside. Look at the roof. That's nice. That's very nice. Should we try it? I don't think it's going to start, but I did bring my friend's little pack. Yeah, there's no power. You could get this really super cheap. The seats look, well, this is a little messed up right here. That is kind of messed up. What's on the inside here? Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay, let's take a look at the engine and see what she's got. And where's the release? It's open. All right, very quickly, let's see. We'll be back. With a little help from my friend and my friend right there, I think we have power. He actually gave me this jumper, and it's really, really amazing. So let's see what's going to happen. Do we have power? No. Maybe I didn't do a good connection. I had a little sparky poo. There we go. Now things are clicking. What do you think? Is she going to start? I don't want to know what that is and why it's wrapped up like that. We have lights. We have all kinds of stuff going on here. Okay, here we go.
That's fine. It's fine.
That's fine?
It's just clear enough.
Is that how a Cadillac sounds?
It's clear. That's how 3.6 is supposed to sound.
I'm afraid to do it again. I don't think I want to.
It's fine, trust me.
Yeah, last time he said that.
Here you go. See, it's almost non-existent now.
See, it says change oil.
That's what it just
Soon.
needs to change. They knew that when they got dirty oil.
Right front tire is low. Can you hear? That's bad. Look at the little bitty dash though. These are tiny cars. They're tiny on the inside, medium sized to large on the outside. I don't know. I just don't understand it. But I can't. I don't want to damage it anymore. Can you damage it even any more than it is already? Once again, black ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. So we're going to have to pass on this one right here. Sorry, Cadillac, you don't get to go home. So that's going to do it. We are having some fun here at IAAI OKC. Randy's over there making big business bids. And we will be back with another video very, very soon. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. I certainly appreciate it. That little 190E Mercedes that was full of crap has been such a popular vehicle for the channel. So if you haven't checked it out, go to Monkey Wrench Mike and give me a shout out. Let me know what you think about it. It's a lot of fun. We're doing these just to kind of supplement our income and give me a chance to wait for the parts to arrive for other cars, and we'll get back to getting our hands dirty very, very soon, okay? From the interior of a dirty old CTS. We'll see you later, okay?